One sunny day, in a city not too far away, lived a curious boy named Lex. He was not your ordinary boy, for he had a love for technology and science that was extraordinary. Lex loved to build robots and gadgets, but his favorite invention was his armored suit. This suit could do amazing things, like fly, shoot lasers, and even think for itself. One day, while playing with his armored suit, Lex accidentally activated a hidden feature. The suit flew off and started to wander the city on its own. Lex was worried. He didn't want his beloved armored suit to cause any trouble. So, he set off to find it, determined to bring it back home. As he searched the city, he met many friendly faces. They offered to help him find his armored suit, and together they looked in gardens, parks, and even the zoo. Finally, they found the armored suit on the top of a tall building. Lex climbed up carefully, his heart beating fast. He reached out to the armored suit, and with a beep and a whir, it flew into his arms. Lex was relieved and happy. He thanked everyone who helped him and promised to be more careful next time. From that day on, Lex and his armored suit became even closer friends, always working together to solve problems and explore new adventures. The end.